Going global from the Gaeltacht, over 200 people work at Pro-Ampac Packaging in Gaeltacht, which has just won a multi-million euro contract supplying C&D foods across Europe.
We've always had the mindset that this is a fantastic advantage, our location here. We have A, very, very committed staff, very loyal staff. We have staff working with us for the last 23 years. And B, we have great support from Údarás and Gaeltacht.
Location is no issue either for Dr. Frances Morton, and neither is the language. She moved here on lockdown and is now set up in the GTech, one of a network of impressive Gaeltacht digital hubs.
I don't feel the language is a barrier here. I came from Glasgow with no Irish at all, and now I'm able to speak with colleagues here, with people in the community, have conversations with people, and I really enjoy it. And everyone here is really encouraging about helping you to learn the language, and it's really important to, I think, to do that and be part of the Gaeltacht community.
Thanks, Nick. Bye.
Údarás na Gaeltacht's new strategy aims to build on success stories like these, embedding entrepreneurship, capitalising on the remote working trend. But there are challenges, not least a serious decline in the Irish language.
The language is not dying, but there will always be, I suppose, a battle to keep the language vibrant and to keep the language alive. But nevertheless, I think there are so many people, young people from the Gaeltacht, who have very high qualifications in terms of education and are very skilled, for whom there wasn't an opportunity until now to come back home to work.
This gives a signal to all young people living and growing up in the Gaeltacht that there'll be a huge amount of opportunities in the region and in the Gaeltacht communities around community development and employment opportunities, and that will strengthen the language by giving young people a long-term signal.
New tourism packages will be developed, enticing holiday makers to come and improve their Irish and Gaeltacht areas, where the ultimate aim is a vibrant community living a good life through Irish. Eileen Magner, RTE News, Gaeltacht.